Hi, I'm Sushma Mata from Kotak Mutual Fund. I have been associated with CAMS for over 20 years now. 11 years as a person who was handling third-party operations in Kotak Bank, and for the last 9 years with Kotak Mutual Fund, where I have been handling the RTA operations and customer service. There are a lot of memories associated with CAMS. I think the best ones would be of the time when COVID happened, and overnight suddenly we didn't know, nobody from CAMS or from the AMCs were allowed to go to offices, and customers still wanted to submit the transactions and how the processing etc. will have to be done. The contact centers had to be shut down. The kind of interaction and the kind of coordination that they were doing was commendable. I think in less than say 2 or 3 days, all the services were made available. They provided the kind of support that each staff needed so that each of the customer could still be serviced and all. That was, I think, the most commendable and the most memorable moment. So I have seen the journey of CAMS from the complete paper-based company where all transactions, everything used to happen on a paper, to when almost 95-98% of the transactions are happening digitally, and how a completely paper-based company has transformed itself into a tech company which has helped in the growth of this entire industry. We have completely transformed the way this industry is growing and the kind of challenges that CAMS has been facing in transforming this kind of industry, this kind of database. I think that's commendable. They are round the clock available to service any of our customer, to handle the needs, whether it comes to BCP or anything. The customers get completely seamless services through CAMS. Thanks a lot. I think without you, we wouldn't have been where we are.